how you can create a Netflix account on your mobile phone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is make sure that you've installed Netflix. If you have not installed it yet, just go to the App Store and search for Netflix. After you search for Netflix, just download it and open it up. Now, after you open Netflix, what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You'll need to go to this link right here and just tap on the link and you'll be redirected to your web browser. This is the website right here. So tap on create a Netflix account. And after you tap on it, just tap on next. Type in your email and then your password. Tap on next and then you'll need to choose your plan now. Now just select your plan. Make sure that you select the best plan that you want. And after you select the plan, just tap on next and then just select a payment method. After you select the payment method, just type in your card number, expiry date, CVV, name on the card, and then tap on the terms and conditions and then just tap on start membership and you'll have created your Netflix account. So it's that simple, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.